Hello to all the students, myself Dr. Shilpi Agarwal, and we are talking about the anatomy recall questions of this December 2020. And in this, a CT picture was given for the brain, in which the horizontal section or the transverse section of the brain was given, and the arrow was put on a structure, that is a nucleus, which was the lentiform nucleus. Now, if you see this question over here, you can very well see this is the question. We have to identify the arrow mark structure, and let us see this picture over here. So the arrow has been put on this structure, which is a triangular structure, a triangular nucleus, which can be visualized in this horizontal section of the brain. And now this is the lentiform nucleus. This is the lentiform nucleus. This is the lentiform nucleus. Apart from this, if we see other dotted structures over here, other structures or other nucleus over here, one is this one, another is over here. Now on the anterior aspect, this is the caudate nucleus and this one is the thalamus. These are the three nucleus, the three basic nucleus which you can visualize in this section, in the transverse section. And this is the specific arrangement. The caudate and the thalamus, they are present towards the medial side, and the lentiform nucleus is present towards the lateral side. And when you see the medial side, the caudate is placed anteriorly and the thalamus is slightly posterior to it. So this is the arrangement of the nucleus in this picture, and therefore the answer of this question will be, the answer of this question is lentiform nucleus. This structure which is marked over here is the lentiform nucleus. Now over here you can very well see this picture. This is the same picture, horizontal section, and the various nuclei have been labeled over here. This is the caudate nucleus, specifically the head of caudate nucleus. This orange structure is lentiform nucleus and this green colored structure is the thalamus. In between this we say the fibers which are running, the V-shaped structure which is present between these three nucleus, this is internal capsule. This is internal capsule. So this V-shaped structure between the three nuclei on the either side, this is the internal capsule. Now let us see this schematic picture also over here. So if we see the arrangement of the nucleus, so this nucleus over here is the caudate. This one is the lentiform nucleus. The lentiform nucleus, and this one is the thalamus. And when we talk about the lentiform nucleus, then this lentiform nucleus is divided in, it is actually having two parts. So this triangular nucleus is having two parts. Now the part which is present on the medial aspect, that is this portion. The part which is present on the medial aspect, this portion is the globus pallidus. So this portion is the globus pallidus portion. Globus pallidus, and the portion which is on the lateral aspect, this portion, this is given the term as the putamen. This is termed as putamen. Both globus pallidus and the putamen together, they form the lentiform nucleus. Apart from this, we have also identified the internal capsule. We have already said that this V-shaped structure, the V-shaped fibers which are present over here, this is the internal capsule. This is the internal capsule. This is the internal capsule, and the other structures which we should be able to identify over here. What are those structures? We can see this section over here which is present, triangular section. Now this is the section of lateral ventricle, and over here between the thalamus we are having a median slit like space, and this is given the term as third ventricle. This is the third ventricle. If I come back to this picture over here, so we can also identify these ventricles. Now this ventricle which is present just adjacent to the caudate nucleus, this is the lateral ventricle. and the one which is present over here, this is the third ventricle. And we have already mentioned the fibers which are present over here. The fibers which are present over here, this is internal capsule. So now we have now identified all the structures which can be further asked in the further exams in FMG or in the PG exams. So these are the basic structures which you should be knowing. So the answer of this question is lentiform nucleus.